Okay, y'all, so I got more parts that came in today. Y'all see what's going on. I got the
neighbors say I'm getting too much paper. I got banks rolling, niggas say I'm having drip. Nigga watching on my page, watch them get it. We don't play around, we drop down and he get killed. Yeah, 7 pounds, that is it. We don't play around, we drop down and he get killed. And yeah, I'm getting cash, 7 pounds, that is it.
What's up, you guys, man? It's your boy RellToReal, man, back in here with another video. Hey man, say man, hey man, it's your boy, man, RellToReal. Y'all already know what it is. So right now y'all see me, man, I'm at Autozone, about to get ready and get off work. I told you guys, man, I'm trying to get back on my grind. I gotta pick up this camera even when I don't want to, man, and I'm gonna have to get on my grind and just go full in, man. Okay, I see him now. I see him. So like I say, man, I got a whole lot going today. Dang, this charger clean though. You know what I'm saying? Catch me while I'm vlogging. Caught me right in the middle of vlogging. Nobody ever catch me in the middle of vlogging like that. You must knew I had this camera out. You need a tire? Yeah. What you just do?
That holder in the back so they got a big ass fitting. Then you put a chain right on the floor and have a flat.
Oh dang, we ain't got none right here in stock though.
You got some caps that fit in there?
Some cap?
I ordered some hoes on fit.
For real?
Only one of them fit.
What company you get them from? If you found out the rim name, we can just get them from the company.
I'm thinking they not fitting in no motherfucker.
Decent.
They got powder coated.
That's why. It adds that extra coating on it. That's why it ain't fitting. That's why it ain't fitting.
So
for real.
How can I get it out? But that fucking wheels up.
Knock it in.
Huh?
I have to knock it in. I know you don't want to do it. For real? Yeah, that's why it don't fit. Cause you got them powder coated. Like get a one of them little drill. I mean not one of them little grinders, but the twist, the one with the little, and you got a sand around that hole.
That like a head.
Man, but boy, it's deadly. If you up, you're gonna hit the outside of the wheel. That's the only way you're gonna get it back in. You gotta knock some of that paint off to get it back in there. Dang, that's crazy though, cause usually they leave your caps on and paint over it. Yeah, they usually paint right over it and don't get it on the cap. Dang, man, who shot at your car, bro? Oh man, baby mama shooting that shit. God dang, time must be hard, boy. All right, bro. That's crazy. That's gonna look good though. He get some center caps on there. That's gonna be hard. It look good. For real. Dang. But yeah, like I was saying, I got some more stuff to do today. I just been so busy, y'all. I be so busy here. I don't really have time to vlog like that no more. It's like it's constantly work, you know, and not enough time for me to pick up the camera. Even on regular days when I'm off, man, there's always something that comes up or something I have to do, and it take my whole day away, because I be trying to film 2-3 videos on my off day, but hell, I don't even get a chance to even film one on my off days. But like I say, everything gotta change. Like I say, I'm finna start working on this Cutlass. Gonna start getting everything together with it. I want to start working on I want to start painting some stuff up, man. I know I ain't gonna leave it like that, but damn, I at least want this stuff to look presentable while it's at the house with me working on it. So today I gotta go get some more parts for my suspension, so I'm gonna take you guys along with that. I ain't going to Summit to get these parts. Need some parts I can just grab from an Autozone or O'Reilly, anything like that. Just some little stuff that I need, little nicks and knacks and stuff like that. So I just hope y'all excited about the build. Like I say, it's gonna take time and it's gonna take patience, it's gonna take some money. And make sure you guys meet us on the 30th, man, up in Memphis. Make sure you guys come to Memphis, man, and come kick it with your boys, man. Me and Stunner Reese, we hosting a car meet and a car event, a car custom show off, whatever. However you want to do it, you want to bring out your custom cars and show them just off. Let the city know how you coming. Hey, come do it, man. Come to our event. It's $5 funky. That's all it is. It's $5 funky. So we don't usually charge for stuff, but since we using somebody's personal lot, you know what I'm saying? It's just $5 funky, man. That's all. You blow that in a day. Doing anything, gas, a lot of stuff, you blow that. But that's all it is, man. So come out, show your support, man. We're gonna have fun there. It's gonna be a lot going on after though. A lot going on after. And right after that, y'all know the next day is gonna be the Demonology Dunk Master event, stuff like that. But yeah, just be in for a rude awakening. But yeah, just be in to have some fun and come out there and kick it with your boys, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Oh man, look at the Rell cat, man. It's one gorgeous car, man. One gorgeous car. I tell you that. I tell you that. It's one gorgeous car. I can't even lie. Look at that thing. Hey, I'm working. Yeah, I'm grinding, y'all. Y'all don't understand. The work ethic of RellToReal is crazy. I hate I keep having to give you guys late videos, man, when I'm getting out work, man, but it is what it is. I ain't got no other way. You know, I work hard, man. You know, I wish I can give you guys videos early, but like I say, I'm gonna get back on track with giving y'all videos early around about 2-3 o'clock or whatever. But for now, I can only give them at 7 or 8 because I have no other choice. I have no other choice. So y'all know, just dropped that video with the Wheelwood brakes. Make sure y'all go check that out so y'all can see what's up in there. I did an unboxing and everything like that. Now I'm finna head up here to Autozone and go pick up some more parts. Like I say, I'm grinding. Can't slow down now, but I am gonna slow down from spending. So I've been spending a lot lately, and I'm not gonna keep spending on content and you guys not just too much watching it or whatever. So kinda is what it is on that, man. When you guys start picking up the like, all the likes, hitting the like button, hitting that like button, and my view and all this stuff go back up to where it's supposed to be. And if you guys, man, watching the channel, make sure you just hit the subscribe button. It's free, man. Make sure you just go ahead and do that for me, man. It helps out a lot, you know. It helps us want to keep going and growing, you know. So just let us know we doing good, man. So hit the like button if you're watching the video. If you just browsing and just came across my video, man, make sure you hit the like button. But I'm gonna catch you guys, man, once I get to Autozone. So y'all, come on, let's go up in here. And dang, I got this thing upside down. Go up in here, get what we gotta get. Go up in here.
24. What else?
For both sides. The driver and passenger. Yeah.
So we need 4 altogether, 2 each.
2 each. Center link, tie-in rods for both sides, inner and outer.
See your center link.
Puede ser como el tipo de puede ser como el tipo de mass air processor o el throttle si tiene throttle, el throttle body.
Tie rod ends.
Inner and outer both sides. Yeah.
O sea, déjame ver si tiene el mass air processor. So, el suyo tiene esto, no tiene throttle, tiene esto. So el sensor no está leyendo bien, no está respirando bien, como que le falta aire o
that I do
no
have
sé
two
si,
inners.
o sea, como tapado o algo.
But no outer.
Y está causando en el aspecto de que no, como que se quiere morir, o sea, así como diciendo como que puede ser también la válvula o ¿cómo le llaman?
We can get them from
El aire se le está escapando de la a mí puede
the
ser.
other hub.
El de nosotros además es un gran
So they have four over there.
general, no sé si 100% es
Which one is that one? That-
That's the right one.
puede ser también.
the one on Irving?
No, it's in Halton City.
Oh.
I finally got that bitch done right.
The paint right.
I got it right.
Did the dude redo it or what?
No.
Somebody else.
We took this motherfucker to Mako.
I tell people all the time, Mako spraying better than some of these people that say they spraying.
Look, right here.
I know.
And the body work too. This bitch is slick, man.
Yeah, it's slick.
Don't ever go to people that say, oh, I can do it for you. I can do it under the table. Take it to a fucking professional, man. Don't do this backyard.
I like they painted that though.
Yeah.
That black though.
Everything's done right. I mean, it needs a, you know what I'm saying? There's a little cosmetics I can touch up. Like here, we gonna replace this. Cause they painted
Oh, you can, what's it called? That?
I'm gonna replace it.
You can get the new one. They said
Oh
the new
yeah,
one.
I do. I
Yeah.
can get the new one.
Yeah, you can get the new one.
But
Don't
yeah.
even fix that. Just either sell it or replace it with the new
Cause
one.
yeah, they told me, they said we were gonna take it all off, but they said you were on a time crunch. I was like, man, this bitch been there so long. But they were like, we wanted to make sure your shit was done right. You know what I'm saying? So I was like,
that thing wet now.
yeah. And
That
you know
thing
what?
wet now.
Now I gotta get that bottom valence for it. I can get that. Look, see, cause that came up.
Oh yeah, that splitter.
Yeah. That's about 100.
Don't tear that shit up no more.
Yeah, that's about 100 at the
Yeah, that ain't
maybe about
nothing.
50
Yeah, you go to a junkyard and get one of them.
at Copart or
Yeah, go for it.
or maybe yeah. But dude, they saved it, man.
They saved it. I know from where it came from. Oh my God, they don't even know. They don't even know. But that's crazy though. Dang, bro, but that's so crazy how much better that mug look than that, bro. I felt so sorry for you that day. I was like, God damn.
Well, you know,
man.
now that everything's completed, the car is done right and everything's good, we're gonna sue that motherfucker now. We're gonna sue you, motherfucker.
Exactly.
We're gonna sue you. We got a receipt. We got receipt. We got everything fixed. We got everything done right. They gonna see the shit that was done.
I know you did your wheels too, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They gonna see the paint that was all fucked up, and now they gonna see the end result and all that, everything that took place. So and now it's on.
Now it's on.
Now it's on.
Already. What you doing up here?
I'm gonna go over here and get a right here. Look, you see this?
Oh yeah.
Then we're gonna see. The thing is that they were taking so long, and so I was like, man, I need my shit. You know what I'm saying? Rushing them. And so they were like, well, there's a few things that we didn't get done.
Yeah.
But they were like, you can bring it back. But what I was gonna do was I was gonna come over here, Autozone. I was gonna touch with plastic.
Yeah.
And this is small though. These come off.
Cause I will get some flexible type paint.
Okay.
Flexible type paint, cause it won't crack. Cause it's so flimsy that material right there that it'll potentially come off or crack.
Well.
Yeah.
Either
get
way,
some flexible type paint.
Either way, I can always replace this piece.
But
they wanted to retry it. They were like, let's repaint it. So they gave it a go. They tried their best. They told me they tried their best. My main thing is this fucking shell that's painted correctly.
I know.
I don't give a fuck about all these rubber pieces and all. No, this motherfucker is
slick too. And you can see yourself in it now.
Thank you, Jesus.
You can see yourself now.
Thank you, Jesus.
All right, man. I'm finna get up out of here, man. Take it easy, bro. Already, bro. Yeah. Gonna crank up this thing. I'm just getting parts after parts, y'all. I told you, man, I gotta get this stuff knocked out. Know what I'm saying? On the on the Cutlass, so got to. Got no other choice. Parts after parts. Breaking stuff, tearing stuff up. Gotta keep all the receipts now. Gotta keep all the receipts. Now let's get on home, man.
The next day.
Okay, you guys, man. So I'm taking back in. This a whole different day, and y'all can see it's almost nighttime. I know the clarity ain't that good right now, but man, I just been so busy and so busy. I don't really have, so today I'm taking my chances and I'm not gonna post no video. I'm not gonna post no video because I'm tired of giving you guys videos so late at night. So only thing I ask for in return, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, make sure y'all hit the like button, and man, I'm gonna keep trying to bring y'all content on the best way I can. Y'all, I work so much. I go in the morning, I get off, it's nighttime, so you know, time isn't on my side. So it's kind of hard to vlog and film videos, and I work a job. I don't have so much free time like a lot of other people. I know a lot of other people work a job too, but most people get off work, you know, sooner than me. I get off, it'd be like 8, 9 o'clock most of the time, or 7, 7:30, you know, and it's already getting dark by then. So I really don't have too much time. But like I said, I ain't making no excuses about nothing. This is a whole nother day. I know I didn't show you guys what I had bought, but I had bought some more parts for my suspension, for my Cutlass. So I got all the parts in the car. So once I get to the house, I'm gonna lay it down and show you guys all the parts. And yeah, and I just talk to you guys then. Peace. Okay, y'all, so I got more parts that came in today. Y'all see what's going on. I got the center link that came in. I ain't gonna break this stuff open. I got the center link. I got the upper and lower tie-in rods for both sides. Upper and lower tie-in rods. Inner and outer tie rod ends. I got all those just came in. Y'all know I just made the video. Got the wheel woods, all of that going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Got good news. I'll make another video about that. I got really good news, man. I'm gonna make another video about that. I'm kind of getting excited now. I'm kind of getting my motivation and my spirit up. I just been working so crazy, y'all. So my spirit kind of been down. Let me get this light back on me. My spirit kind of just been down. So I'm trying to get back in the mood, man. But I'm so tired of posting videos late, you guys, man. And I know it's hard for you guys to keep up with me and keep on track with me when I'm uploading so late at nighttime. It don't give you guys enough time to even watch the videos, and don't give enough time for my my videos to get in the algorithm. So make sure you guys constantly hitting that like button, man, because that's what boosts up the algorithm and helps out the channel and help us get into the suggestions, the video suggestions, man. So if y'all want to keep seeing me build on this car and build on other cars and stuff, man, y'all gotta help me out. And that's the only way I'm able to do these type things, you know. It's the extra money from YouTube, you guys. So I spend a lot of money out of pocket that I don't get from YouTube. So I'm just trying to reincorporate some of that money back so I can put into the car and into the vehicle and get this thing moving a little bit faster. So we got to get on top of that like button, man, and try to get at least 10,000 views a video, you guys, man. That's all I ask for, 10,000 views a video. And just hit that like button when you can. Well, not when you can, when the video comes on. Just hit the like button, help me out, help the algorithm, and we're gonna keep going and growing, man. So I appreciate y'all, man. Love the support. Got good news about the Cutlass. Got good news, man. So shout out to my guy, and I'll let y'all know in the next video. But y'all already know what time it is. Hey man, say man, hey man, it's your boy, man, RellToReal901. Hit that like button, that subscribe button, that share button, go ahead and bust it down. I'm out here like last year. Peace.
Neighbors say I'm getting too much paper. I got banks rolling, niggas still having drip. Nigga watching on my page, watch them get it. We don't play around, we drop down and he get killed. Yeah, serving pounds, that is it. We don't play around, we drop down and he get killed. And yeah, I'm getting cash, serving pounds, that is it. She popped the sand, the bitch sleeping. My crew too fast, police done see me.